Hello everyone, I am Roja. I am studying in MSc Chemistry, JSS College, OT Road, Mysore. Today we will be discussing the topic of analytical method validation. First, it is important to note that this process is performed according to the ICH guideline. This guideline outlines the general principle for validating an analytical method, including the selection of the method, design of experiments, and interpretation of result. Let's understand what is exactly is analytical method validation. In simple terms, analytical method validation can be defined as process of evaluating and documenting the performance of an analytical method to demonstrate that it meets the requirement for the intended application. Evaluating and documenting the check the performance of an analytical method. This involves laboratory studies to verify the accuracy, precision, and specific check amount of an IPL present in any drug products or drug substance using validated method. Then I will be assume the result are reliable, accurate, and precise. Let's understand with this example. Let's say I want to test the drug of any drug. Let's assume paracetamol. So, to test the assay, I have to use assay method of the drug to perform any analysis. Let's assume 99% assay result. Now, if we another analyst of my lab, we can say analyst of an also performing assay test of ibuprofen. Under the same condition, then the analyst state should also obtain the same result, that is 99% or closer value. Or if in case analyst at another location of QC lab is testing the assay of ibuprofen, then analyst B also gets the same result, that is 99% or closer result when using the same method under the same conditions. It is important for multiple quality control laboratories within the organization to have consistent and reliable result for the same drug using the same method. To achieve this, the analytical method should be validated before take transfer or transfer method. QC laboratory, it is important because it helps to ensure the analytical result generated by the method are reliable and can be used to make important decision about the quality and purity of drug product. Analytical method validation required for non-compendial developed methods, and analytical method validation is also regulatory requirement. Let's talk about any change in analytical method validation. As we know, analytical method validation is a critical process in ensuring that the analytical method used to test drug product are accurate, precision, and specific. These changes can have an impact on the analytical method validation and require revalidation. The degree of revalidation required will depend on the nature of the changes made. For example, changes in the synthesis of the drug substance or API, changes in the composition of the finished product, and changes in the analytical procedure can all require revalidation. This may be due to the changes in a part of equipment, API source, changes or changes to the specification limit. Four types of analytical method validation in the pharmaceutical industry. First one, identification test. This test is performed to confirm the identity of a drug substance or drug product by using UV visible spectroscopy, IR spectroscopy, mass spectroscopy, or HPLC to verify the identity of an active ingredient. Second one, quantitative test. For a impurity content, this test is used to determine the amount of impurities present in the drug substance or product, that is related substance or organic. Impurities are using HPLC or GC to quantity the levels of residual solvent in a drug product. Third one, limit test for control of impurities. This test sets limit for the maximum amount of impurity allowed in a drug substance or product to ensure its quality and safety.